you stole Daddy's soda, and you're gonna stand right there and eat the ice on me, alright? Who said you can have that?
Mommy.
Did you spit everything out? Did you put everything back that you took?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Then that's stealing, and that's against the rules.
Mommy tea.
No, you can't see. This is evidence.
Oh.
Yeah. This is evidence. Oh, you're going to jail, little one.
Oh.
Oh.
Mommy tea.
You could see.
Oh. Auntie tea.
You could see.
Mommy tea.
You could see.
Mommy tea.
You could see.
Mommy tea.
You could see.
Mm.
You could see.